Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Coinbase wallet. First, download the official Coinbase wallet application from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You will be guided through setting up a secure password and backing up your recovery phrase. Remember, this phrase is crucial for accessing your funds if you lose your device, so store it safely. Enable biometric authentication for quick and secure access. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to add some funds. The easiest way is to connect your Coinbase wallet to your existing Coinbase exchange account. From there, you can easily transfer cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum or Bitcoin directly into your wallet. If you don't have an exchange account, many regions allow you to purchase crypto directly within the wallet using a debit card. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to explore the world of decentralized finance. Use the built-in D-app browser to find various cryptocurrencies, NFT, or other digital assets you'd like to acquire. Once you've found your desired item, initiate the purchase. The wallet will display the transaction details, including any network fees. Carefully review everything before confirming your transaction to ensure accuracy. To recap, setting up and funding your Coinbase wallet is straightforward. Always prioritize the security of your recovery phrase. It's the key to your digital assets. Regularly check your transaction history for anything unusual. Remember, the crypto space offers many opportunities, but staying informed and secure is paramount. For more helpful tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.